Genul programului: divertisment. Următorul program poate fi vizionat de copii în vârstă de până la 12 ani, numai cu acordul sau împreună cu părinții ori familia.
थम जा ठहर जा वापस जरा दौड़ पे.
Okay, here we start the classes of Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is the classical dance of India. One, two, back. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you will take a jump like a deer and you will change your position. Like completely you are in front of audience. Okay? Again. I hope you are enjoying it. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now can you see, all of you? 1, 2, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This will do 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and take around and 5. Show me again, please. Yeah. Take it back. This is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now completely change yourself and put 5. 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 1, 1, 3, down 5. So the step is like, just can you show? 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you'll go towards back from the beginning like this. In the beginning, in which position you are. Good. Open it. Let it be free. And just go on this leg. Yes. Open it. Yes. In the front. Okay. Just give your hand. Here it will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And again you will repeat the same thing what I told you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you will do 1, 2, 3. You did 1, 2, 3. And you'll do 1, 2, 1, 2. First you go your right, 1, 2, 3. Just simple it was. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You could not see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. It is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But it's fast. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll do now music and you'll see if you do without that how it comes. Please wait. You'll have to start exactly on the beat. You learned and did you?
The sun dance.
Who?
Dance of the sun.
Who wants?
I heard about the sun. The stars before you showed me something. But you were showing me the stars.
We'll do after this. That is. So now you realize that we do everything because of the beat. If you are off beat, people will realize that they are doing the mistake. This is the importance that we do everything on the beat. That is there only for the beat. Okay. So now we have next the gestures. We call it. Yes, this is the difficult part. That it looks what they are doing is so simple, but when you start doing, then you realize that it's so difficult. Now we have gestures. When we do dance, the dancer, they don't speak, they show with maybe the single person, he is showing you the full story, but they show with the hands. Okay, so now first is patakas, just simply it will be fold here on the side. Patakas we call it, like a flag. Okay, you show the flag. This is patakas. Tripataka means the flag has 3 parts, you know, Tripataka. And this is Ardha Pataka. Pataka in Sanskrit means flag. When some minister or somebody died, they put the flag on half, you know, so Ardha Pataka. Okay, Patakas, Tripataka, Ardha Pataka. Now, this is Caesar. Okay, when we want to show the Caesar, we show like this. You can cut it. Or some cunning friend which we don't like, we say he's so cunning, you know, we show with this type of story. Or if you want to show that the street is going and later it is divided in 2 parts. Okay, so this gesture is used. Tripataka, patakas, kartari, mukha. Now this is Mayura. We just put Mayura means peacock head. When we show the Sri Krishna, because he has always on his head peacock feather, so we show like this. Or when we show the beautiful neck of a peacock, we show like, okay, the neck of the peacock. So the artists, they know that she is doing this, it means she is showing the peacock. And whenever they start the concert, they explain, okay, now I am going to use these gestures and it will have this meaning. So the audience who does not know anything about Bharatanatyam, they can understand what the story they are telling about. Okay. Shukatundakaha. Shukaha means parrot. Is parrot. In Sanskrit it means parrot. So when we want to show the parrot is this. Or sometimes we show the parrot like this and we just show the tail. The mouth is like this. Use this and we show. No? Like this. So it looks like a tail. Yes. This. See? It looks like they are showing some bird. No, this. Use it. Yes, now. Or you can show that pakau with a long tail. Okay? And sometimes we show the bird like this, flying. Okay? Just, yes, you can show. Peep.
And when you dance, you can use this sign?
Yes, when not suppose I was dancing this, so I showed that I am using the flowers here, but flower that I am holding the flowers and I am offering the flower. Okay, but when sometimes it comes not the doing with the leg, they are doing, but they are telling some story like this very beautiful face, or I have a lotus. That time they use this with gestures. Yeah, sometimes we show that stories also. We'll do the dance of Shiva, Shiva is the lord of dance. We call him Nataraja. Okay, he's the king of dancers. So when we want to show the Shiva, we show like this. No? Here, just turn like this. His posture is always like this. Loose, and this one will remain like this. Okay, so this is the position of Lord Shiva. So he is the king, and in the story, or we can say it's a prayer. When we start the dance, we do prayer, and we show that the whole world, the star, the moon, all of them, they are your jewelry. They are your jewels. You are the God, and all these are your jewels. All the scriptures, it is written, actually they are your language. They are your talks. So we'll show, we have the prayer like Angikam Bhuvanam, yes, it is in Sanskrit. Angikam Bhuvanam yasya vachikam sarva vangmayam aharyam chandra taradi tam nomah satvikam shivam its meaning was that what I told you, that the whole world, the stars, moons, all of them, they are your jewels, and we worship the Lord who is so great, who has made the world. Okay, so we show, just stand this. Okay, now we'll do, or you can do this. This gesture especially is not used in Bharatanatyam, it is taken from other classical dance. Okay, now this finger also inside, this second finger, yes, that one also. Okay, we do Angikam. Angikam is the body. Okay, Angikam Bhuvanam. Okay, the world. The Bhuvan means the universe. Okay, Angikam, or you can say Bhuvanam, or you can say Bhuvanam, the universe. In any type you can explain it. So Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya. Yasya means all these things. Vachikam. Vachikam means your language, or you can say Vachikam. You go on the side and you just do Vachikam. Understand? Okay. Now Sarva.
What does it mean?
Sarva means everything. It is not every step has some meaning, but it is a fully combined story. So you do, just take the hands and you do, take fully like this, and you are showing the body part. All these things are your parts. Okay, this, and you'll have to lay on this. Okay, yes. Now what we did, Angikam Bhuvanam Savachikam Sarva Vangmayam Aharyam Chandra means moon. Chandra, this, like this you show. Chandra, okay? This, Chandra, Taradi. Tara means stars. They are so small. So we show them this. Taradi, small stars. Taradi, Chandra, sorry, I forgot. Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarva Vangmayam Chandra Taradi. Now you do Tam. Tam means you. Satvikam. Satvikam, who is just in meditation. Satvikam, and you get up. Shivam. Okay? This was the story. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Thanks to the audience that they appreciate, and thanks to the God that they made our show, our concert successful, and thanks to the teacher who taught us. Okay, so thanks to the God, then to our teacher, and then to our audience. Okay, that's all.
Now that we are having a rest, I would like to ask you what means all that clothes, and why do you dress like...
This we call it Punjabi suits, because it is
Punjabi
the area
suits.
it is the state in India, Punjab, and mostly there women use this. While in north part and in south they use saris every day, and they do all types of work in the sari. And sari is like 4-5 meter long, and it has no stitch, but still the women wear it in such a way that no part of the body is visible. Okay, and for that
part,
we
do you mean all the body is covered?
Body is covered, but it has no stitch. It is just a 5 meter cloth, and you wrap in such a way that nothing is visible. Yeah.
And this clothes is usual for you in India, because I saw it in
Every day.
airport. Every day.
Every day, but the girls before their marriage they use this.
Before the marriage?
Yeah, because it's so easy. They can go colleges, they can go any place, but they come in more nice and more good fabrics, you know, all types of.
And what means that sign?
Yeah, nowadays is more fashionable. They put in many colors and small, sometimes long. But before it was traditionally, we call it kumkum, made of sandalwood.
Am cum pe frunte. But what does it mean?
Yeah, I'm explaining you that you put here and a big, because if you know that our body has 7 energy
Chakra.
centers, 7 chakras. All of them in India is covered. You know, this one is covered, only this remains outside, which is exposed, and you can catches, you can get the catches, so they cover with that. Even the men can put. In India they put some, but nowadays because they go offices and they don't use, but this is the main. If you have seen in the dance, or if you go Calcutta, in eastern part of India, there you will see that even now women are more traditional and they color their fingers here, you know, like this. It is a type of liquid which they use, and it never gets chapped. Your skin never chapped. It remains very good. They use for that purpose. And you know already henna is so famous nowadays, henna. Mostly Muslim people, they use henna. That also is very good for your skin.
Thank you for that great
Yeah,
dance.
you're welcome.
It was very, I didn't expect it to be not so easy as it seems on TV.
It looks easy, as I told you so many times, that it looks
It is
easy, but
not.
it's not that easy. Any simplicity has its own beauty, and you know, any simple thing is very difficult. It's never that easy as it looks.
Thank you a lot. Now we should make this.
Yeah, namaskar.
Thank you, our teacher.
Namaskar has also a meaning, you know. It's namaste. When we meet somebody, we call it namaste. Namaste. It's a Sanskrit word, and its meaning is namaste. Namaste means I salute to myself. You know why myself? Because we have deities in ourselves. We have chakras. Same you have. I respect you equally. I respect myself. It has
Very
that
nice.
meaning. So nothing is meaningless. Everything has meaning.
Okay, thank you a
Thank
lot.
you.
Have a nice day.